Alright, so this is what we need doing today. At this point in time, we should have some rough ideas. We should have at least 4 ideas. Remember what I said to you last week? You've probably got lots of ideas perhaps, but you've got to narrow it down. 4 initials. Can I have a quick look at your sketchbook?
Yeah, sure. The ideas are here.
Alright, so great job. This is what we should be doing. There you go.
Okay. Oh, thanks.
Good sketch. But that's exactly what we should be working towards. I should be able to pick up a sketchbook and go, great. It looks like so. Have you got one thing on your mind here, and that's just.
Oh, the one I outlined. That.
I know.
There you go.
All right, so that's some good stuff in there. Good. All right, on your tables there are some materials. Bit of cardboard. There's some 6mm MDF. There is now. The reason why I've put the materials on your desk today, you don't need to do anything with them today. You can just feel them, get an idea for form. Don't balance it on your head, Ashley. But this... This is what I want everybody to have in the forefront of their mind. Okay? Because that is an A4 sheet folded in half. Okay? That's there. I've brought in... Now I've cut some tube and they are very, very sharp, so please don't go slicing your fingers off. But again, that's just there as a bit of a mock-up for you. You've got some tape. But it's now time to get hands-on. That's beautiful. I wish I could do that. It's not going to work for me. Alright, now, we need to move quickly. Ashley, put it down. Bear in mind, this is last week. You have 3 weeks when you return. 3 weeks might sound a lot, it's not. You know it's not a lot. So you've got to get this done. Hands-on, thinking productively, with the aim as to how it's going to actually come together. We've done a little bit of CAD work for those people. We're not doing any CAD today. This is conceptualising hands-on. If we need more materials, I can get more materials. If we need a hot glue gun turned on or something like that, we can do that. But I want you thinking 3D, physical. No. What do we do? Did you just miss all of that, Courtney?
No, I know what we're doing. But
that's your box.
Yeah. Tiny.
Which is tiny. Which means any material that you're going to be working with obviously has to fit within that. You are physically prototyping now. Alright. Janvi, just because there is no room for the documentation of the prototype stuff in your folio doesn't mean that you don't do it.
You have to do it.
Because that's the whole point, how we get there. The only reason there's no prototyping in the folio is simply to cut down the size of the folio.
Do we present it in our document?
No. You just need to know that when you get to your final design, that your final design works. Okay? I don't want people going, oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because you probably didn't prototype it. Prototype. Test, fail. And then we get to the end game. Okay?
But, Mr. Williams, what if we're using the 3D printer to print the parts? How do we prototype it? It's flat on.
Cardboard is a wonderful material. If I, can you pass me some scissors there, Yvonne? Maybe a pair with a plastic handle. Yep, that'll do me. Wonderful. Okay, if you, girls, you need to learn to make things out of card that basically does its thing.
Sticky tape was my best friend. Now it's duct tape is my best friend.
You know what I'm doing. Like, we tape it together, okay, and then we've got like that little bit that might slide on. I don't know. Cardboard. James Dyson made vacuum cleaners, 5,000 of them, out of cardboard. You can't just rely, like 3D printing is a ways down the track. Pretty much. All of his prototypes, cardboard. Cardboard mock-up, cardboard mock-up, cardboard mock-up, cardboard mock-up. The majority of models made by designers are cardboard in the first instance. Alright, without further ado, let's get busy. No rest for the wicked. This is a busy lesson. I want to see sketches out in front of each of you. You girls might want some more material. Alright, everybody stop. Grab a piece of cardboard. Get it out of your system. Stop. That's the last time I'm going to hear it.
Oh. Go outside and do that.
That's my robot.
That doesn't explain anything. Why do you have it? That's not
Why are you putting your class like
Did you ask permission?
Are you being
I get
I don't ask permission.
You don't have to give permission to do something legal.
If I wanted to see you, got something cool to show you.
Let's get busy. Should have tape now.
Yes, you can. Riding scooters down there. I don't think. Oh, but that's I'm sorry.
Yes. Okay, show me your sketch.
It's the thing from. I don't even know what it is. You can only read that, and that.
Is that the same width as the...
Going to. Yep.
I haven't really rough on it.
Yeah, that was really nice. So you gotta go to work. See you later, Yvonne.
So,
Yeah.
is
Are you a good drawer?
I'm just like,
Oh, which is a
no
weird thing that mine were that might not work. I can copy your idea. Look at that. It was supposed to look like that. Looks something like yours. You better say I got a good idea. You know what?
which parts are we talking about?
Put on for you. That's my reward. Now just go to the lab.
Alright, everybody pause. Ashley, the bag down. Alright, let's quickly brainstorm ideas for how the two pieces, or maybe more, can actually fit together. So,
Magnets.
polluting each other's brains again.
Magnets. Magnets.
so basically you've got a piece. Shh. Alright, if you're going to have one piece, two piece, this and they're going to come together, you're going to need to think about how that possibly works. Okay? It could be... Does anybody know about... has anybody seen furniture that's put together using dowels? Dowels. It's like a timber... Okay, so that's quite a large diameter dowel. You drill a hole in a piece of timber, this sits, and you drill it, so that gets kind of glued into the timber. In the other piece you have a hole, corresponding hole, and it mates. That's it. Sorry? Yeah, so there's one way. Now, you could also have a key system, whereby perhaps you have something like that. It's a dovetail that actually slides in and fixes. It could be magnets. Question there is, are they strong enough and do they have enough strength to hold it? It may not need to come together. And I did a little demo on the board on Friday that some of you may have seen.
Oh yeah, the weird.
If you didn't see it, too bad.
Kind of looks like that.
It could be that in some way you make this a hinge so that it folds. And perhaps it's got, you know, the hole in the centre and it folds, because at the end of the day, I'm hoping that most of you are going with the fact that, let's say this is the first pole and this is the second pole that slides in. You can pretty much